Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Today we will discuss best online payment tools for marketers with buying guides and reviews. In the dynamic digital marketing landscape, efficient online payment tools for marketing are crucial to streamline transactions and enhance customer experiences. These tools not only facilitate secure financial transactions but also contribute to optimizing payment processes. Let's delve into the top 10 online payment tools that stand out for their reliability, features, and ease of use. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, PayPal. Let's know its features. Its intuitive design ensures easy navigation for user. PayPal provides buyer protections, fostering trust and confidence. Swift payment processing facilitates efficient business transaction. PayPal enjoy widespread acceptance. Number 2, Stripe. Let's know its features. Stripe ensures smooth integration with various e-commerce platforms. It offers robust APIs and documentation for developers. Stripe facilitates payments in multiple currencies, expanding global reach. Number 3, Square. Let's know its features. Squares offer user-friendly point-of-sale solutions, simplifying in-person transactions, fast and transparent funding, providing quick access to funds for business. Versatile hardware options accommodate various business type and size effectively. Number 4, Authorize.net. Let's know its features. Advanced security measures, including encryption protocols, ensure customer data protection. Comprehensive reporting tools offer valuable insight for data-driven decision making. Robust recurring billing capabilities simplify the management of subscriptions-based service. Number 5, Braintree. Let's know its features. Braintree offers effortless integration with various e-commerce platforms, enable business to accept payment in multiple currencies globally, provide a developers-friendly environment for customization and flexibility. Number 6, Adyen. Let's know its features. Seamless integration across various platforms simplifies the payment process for marketers. Adyen Analytics provides valuable insight, empowering marketers to optimize strategies. Adyen streamlines global payments, supporting multiple currencies for diverse transactions. Number 7, 2Checkout. Let's know its features. The platform offers robust tools for efficient subscriptions billing. 2Checkout employs advanced security measures to prevent fraudulent transactions. Marketers benefits for various payment methods supported by 2Checkout. Number 8, WordPay. Let's know its features. WordPay offers extensive global payment coverage for a diverse market reach. It robust fraud protection features ensure secure online transactions from marketers. The platform provides a seamless integration process, enhancing operational efficiency. Number 9, Shopify Payment. Let's know its features. Shopify Payments provide a straightforward and intuitive user interface. The platform facilitates global transaction by supporting multiple currencies. Shopify Payment ensures seamless integration for various e-commerce platforms. Number 10, Pioneer. Let's know its feature. Pioneers enables swift cross-border transaction, easing global business operation. Its user-friendly interface simplifies payment processes, enhancing overall efficiency. Versatile currency support broadens payment options for international transactions. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com. Best Advanced Software 1891. Thanks for watching.